Hey guys, I wanted to turn the camera on and show you a pretty cool repair I'm about to do. If you look right here, you will see that my passenger side rear top exhaust manifold stud has completely rusted out. And to make this repair, you are going to need one of these. This is basically a bracket that is going to bolt on to your cylinder head using your two already from the factory pre-drilled, pre-threaded holes, and then another bolt and nut that is going to pinch it down. This product is from, I believe it's pronounced Kral Auto Parts. And as you can see, it's a exhaust manifold bolt repair kit and would repair all of the engines listed below. So it seems pretty simple. Just need a 7/8 socket or wrench and a 11/16 socket or wrench, and then you get after it. Before I begin, I'm going to do a audio test of the exhaust leak before I install it and then after. It's not a terrible exhaust leak, so hopefully the camera will pick up on it, but yeah, let's see how it does. Alright, here's the bracket one more time before I install it. Pretty simple, very robust design. And here is this bolt. Threads on. And just put that anywhere. And this part is welded, this nut. So that's what's actually going to clamp down your exhaust manifold to your cylinder head because you don't have a stud anymore. So let's get to it. Alright, there it is installed. Let's go ahead and start the engine back up and see if it made any difference. All right, I don't know how well the camera picked that up, but I definitely noticed a difference. It sounds a lot less poppy. The exhaust before, hopefully the camera picked it up, but was almost popping to an extent, and this just sounds very smooth. So it'll sound even better once I get the doghouse on. But thanks for watching the video. This part was about $45, so pretty cheap. Again, here is the part, and I'll leave a link to their website below. And if you got a specifically an E-Series van and you have this problem, I'd highly recommend this fix. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we have had this exhaust leak for quite some time.